Although the sun gives us light and warms us, we need energy. It is essential for the development and proper functioning of the world surrounding us. The systems which have covered this need for over a century are based on the consumption of fossil fuels such as coal, natural gas, and oil byproducts, on nuclear fuels, and on hydraulic power generation. Most of these resources are exhaustible and emit gases which cause the greenhouse effect. Global energy demand grows every year, and it is estimated that by the year 2050, CO2 emissions will have increased by 130%. A drastic change is needed, a turnabout towards clean, renewable energy. Torresol Energy is advancing into the future and focusing its strategy on the design, construction, and startup of high-power electricity plants such as concentrating solar power stations. The sun not only gives us light and heat, but it is also one of the most promising sources of energy to replace fossil fuels. The sun offers abundant and exhaustible cost-free energy that does not release contaminating emissions into the atmosphere and which, unlike wind power, can be stored. The Gemasolar concentrating solar power plant consists of a field of over 2,500 heliostats situated around the tower. The heliostats concentrate the sun's rays onto the top of the tower, where there is a receiver which is capable of absorbing up to 95% of solar radiation. The molten salts which are found in the coal tank are pumped towards the top of the tower, and as they pass through the receiver, they are heated up by the energy concentrated in it. In these high-temperature conditions, the salts are stored in the hot salt tank. The resulting fluid is led to a heat exchanger where steam is generated, which in turn is transferred to a turbine alternator. The steam makes the turbine turn, and an alternator transforms the movement into electric power, which is supplied to the network. For the first time, the Gemasolar project is fitted with a new heat storage system which can reach temperatures of over 500 degrees Celsius. In this way, the regular operating period of these plants can be extended to 15 hours without solar radiation. This revolutionary process of receiving and storing energy ensures that the output from Gemasolar trebles that of any installation with the same power in conventional technology. This plant paves the way for new solar thermal power generation technology, which is capable of supplying 30,000 homes with clean, safe energy, of reducing CO2 emissions, and of even creating over 1,500 jobs. This technology has been developed by Sener, a leading engineering, consultancy and systems integration Spanish multinational company. Sener and Masdar, an alternative power company headquartered in Abu Dhabi, have a 60% and a 40% ownership interest respectively in Torresol Energy. Called to be the global leader in the concentrating solar power sector, Torresol Energy promotes and implements projects which are as profitable and as efficient as energy from the sun. Gemasolar is Torresol Energy's first project. It has been developed using central tower and heliostat technology and incorporates important technological innovations such as the solar receiver system and heat storage in molten salts. This is just the beginning. In the near future, Torresol Energy will promote new solar plants worldwide, concentrating solar power. The sun gives us life. The sun gives us energy. The sustainable energy that benefits all.